Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get the Google Docs app for iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to get Google Docs or Google Document app, so let's see how can you do that. So you just have to simply open your browser here and you have to search for Google Docs. So basically it's an online website from where you can easily edit your documents or you can create new PDFs. So you must have to open that and here you have to tap on sign in to sign in with your account. If you want to get Google Docs app, so you must have to go back from here first and here tap on these three dots, then tap on share option here, scroll up, look for add to home screen option and select that. Then tap on add. And once you have done, your Google Docs app will be successfully added to your home screen. You just have to tap on it whenever you want to open the app and your app will be open here. You can easily sign in with your account and you can easily use it on in your iPhone without an issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.